Right, so we have the first municipal building just next door. And in 1879, the municipality realized that the small size of that building is creating all of this friction between the higher class and the lower class. And it was really becoming a problem because they were walking next to each other in the streets and kind of aimed to hit the next person. So the municipality said, guys, we need a bigger building. So they built this one, second municipal building. And initially it was just a great big hall, but more people could fit inside, including the lower class. And the municipality, they wanted to build a bridge to the lower class, which was mainly farmers. So this time, the front door shows to the market area right behind you. And also above the windowsills, they carved out the main agricultural activities, which was grain, sheep, ostriches, and grapes. And inside here, we have the head of cattle as well. Just to show the farmers, listen, you are welcome. We do value your opinion. Didn't help much. This was built 27 years after the first municipal building was built. And the people in town, they grew up in this mindset. Children grew up in this mindset of lower class against upper class. We fight, we fight, we fight. And one of the biggest fights ever broke out in the late 1890s. And the reason for the fight was the most stupidest thing ever. It was about swimming. Okay, now in those days, swimming in the sea or in the ocean was not a thing because that's where all the waste goes. You don't want to be swimming in between all the floaties. So the municipality, they were low on cash and they were looking at extra ways to create a revenue, an income. And at that time, Brighton in Britain came out with a water resort, spa kind of effect. Now it's healthy to swim in the ocean with the salt water. And they said, but we're sitting with the Point, Cape St. Blaise. It's a natural swimming pool. It's protected by rocks from the ocean. We can build a water resort there and generate an income through tourism. And it worked perfectly. They made a lot of money. But to get there, there were a couple of hurdles. One of them was men and women were not allowed to swim together. That was socially unacceptable and also illegal. So they had to make rules. When can the women swim and when can the men swim? So in the agenda, the itinerary of the meeting, the wording was exactly to establish the rules concerning the swimming of ladies and gentlemen. But when the lower class read ladies and gentlemen, they absolutely flipped because now they thought only the higher class can swim there and we can't. So they went into each other. It was a bloodbath. They hit each other into hospital. The fights, they didn't even know how to swim, but they fought over it. We're going to walk a little bit and then we're going to stop at the next stop, which is the Prince Vincent building.